Your air filter need to be changed every 90 days. I agree that accessing the attic can be intimidating and a little scary, but it shouldn't be. If your attic is like mine and you don't know how to access it, please keep on watching. I take my time here because I like to remember how I put it down because I have to fold it back up. And when you have your filter and nobody else is there to help you, you can just place it up there, and when you go up, you can easily reach it from there. I have these two screws that I have to unscrew to remove the old filter and place in the new one. Oh, we lost the screw, but we'll take care of that later. When you remove your old one, always look at the direction of the arrow. Mine has to point up, so that's what I'm going to do. I found the screw. And you screw it back. That's not the most difficult part. What has been a little challenging is to fold the stairs back up and close the attic. And I couldn't close it back up. It took quite some time. That's why I decided to film this video to help anyone who has had this issue or has this issue, and to remind myself in the future of what to do to close it easily, because it took me a long time to figure it out. I hope I was able to help. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.